What's going on? I'm about to send this link out. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? So we're about to see how the euro. So we got euro and GBP news popping up in a little bit. So we're gonna be on for the euro news. We got USD news going on today. So today's gonna be interesting. So we're actually gonna pull up some euro charts. I'll keep GM up. I want to see what these euro charts looking like too. Had some technical difficulties. The signal's been garbage, man. I almost canceled the live because it kept on failing. I tried like 4 different times, but I restarted the Wi-Fi, disconnected for like the fourth time, and it finally worked. Oh, okay, but yeah, so this is very interesting. The news here is going to be very interesting because when we look at EN, we compare it to GN on the daily, we see two completely different things right here. So we got Euro news about to pop off. So we're going to see this. We're going to see what's going to happen. It's going to be very interesting. Right, this one, it's showing like the downtrend still continuing. Now again, we got news about to pop off. Got this level of traffic we're going to need to break through if the downtrend is going to continue. We already failed to break to this first pivot down, and then yesterday and today it's been struggling to break and hold this level. So we're about to see what this euro news is about to do. It's already pushing up. Let me see what you already know the drill. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we can get charts, drop them in the chat. But we got at 3:15 euro news, 3:30 euro news, and then we got 4 o'clock orange folder news for euro pairs, 4:30 GBP news. Then at 8:30 and 9:45 we got USD news. We got a whole bunch of news popping off today. Let me see how markets affect these pairs. It's probably going to affect the GBP pairs a little bit as well too, because the charts were slow all last night during Tokyo session. Didn't take any additional trades. You guys got any questions up in the chat? We can use charts up in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. The GBP pairs are getting affected by the news as well. Just dropped a couple videos earlier this week. Make sure to check those out. Just dropped the Bitcoin update that what was it? Not yesterday, Tuesday. It was already Thursday, which is crazy. Do 5 minute by pop up in about a minute. Again, we got Euro news popping off right now for the next 30 minutes. So we're just letting it play through, see what takes place. Then we're going to go from there. All right, now we got the 330 news popping off. Yeah, I see you now, Zealous. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, I don't know what happened yesterday, but I saw your message after it posted. Yeah, I don't know what was happening. I see you now, though. You catch GJ? You catch GJ news today? I take profit during trigger, and now I'm up almost 2. That's what's up. I was in buy, so I caught some buys earlier. Now I'm just watching to see what it does because it was dead all last night. Because it hit like TP2, TP3 again last night, and then I closed it and I got wicked out. So now it's chilling back on this level. So I want to see if it's going to hold or not. Because again, we are bullish. We're not bearish. We're bullish still. It's just struggling to break these next levels. But we're still bullish. See clear higher highs. If we look at the past couple of weeks as we're going up, whether as we're going down, it's just been struggling at this level here. We're still bullish. Right now we got the Euro news popping off. So we're just letting that do its thing. Those joining the stream, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal from Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We're 3-0 so far this week. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Yeah, we're going to get a retest. I'm going to go long. Just been patient right now. Yeah, that's all you can do, especially when price is doing what it's doing right now. Again, playing at this level right here. We can continue to hold 199.30 as support. We can look for buys going to 260. But right now, we got a new 5-minute buy pop off. After this, more news at 4 o'clock and at 4:30 GBP news. So price might be just kind of slow until then. But then we also got at 8:30 and 9:45 USD news events as well. We had FOMC yesterday. I went live with that with the members during that. broke down some things, went over some things. So make sure to check that out because it was posted in the channel for those that missed it when it was live. What's going on, Tracy? How you doing, my man? What's going on? What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. Yeah, it's been real windy and it's been raining a lot all around, so the signal's been super trash. Like, took me like 4 Wi-Fi restarts and reconnects to get the stream loaded today. But we're here now. Right now, like I said, we got news going on, which is why price is just kind of just chilling right now, which is also why price was dead last night. Just letting it play out. Of course, we got our alerts. We're not missing anything. We're just patiently waiting for our setups and confirmations. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_way. What's going on? What's going on? I see you up in here. You gotta watch that Bitcoin update video. Make sure to check that out too, y'all. It's kind of still chilling at that level. Matter of fact, let me pull it up right now. Let's see what we're looking. You know, something worth talking about. I'll pull it up on my computer. I'm looking at my phone right now. No, I still rejected that level. Still kind of chilling though. It's gonna be interesting to see what the new month and how this monthly candlestick ends on it though. Got a new 15 about to start in a few minutes. As far as how we're doing so far this week, let me go ahead and pull it up. Make sure to hit that first link in the description so you can see for yourselves. But if you hit that first link in the description, where's my Telegram? Oh, here it is. Let me pull it up. We're 3-0 so far this week. We took a GU trade. All TVs got hit yesterday. Was a nice 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. GU's back at this level right here, so we're looking for a buy setup here possibly. Then we took a GJ trade. What was it that it got hit last night or yesterday? TP2 got hit. I think we hit TP3 last night. There's my phone. Let me pull that up and see. I think we might have hit TP3 last night. As you can see, prices just kind of been chilling at this level. It's pushing back up though, so we're about to see if we're going to break past TP3 right here. Yeah, we hit TP3 last night. We got GBP news at 4:30, so be on the lookout for that. Yeah, so Ian pushed down the first of these events, and this one's pushing back up. So it's going to be interesting to see if it's going to try to follow Gian's suit yesterday, or if it's going to try to continue this bearish momentum right here. Again, yesterday price broke past it, but it failed to hold. And that's what needs to be held from resistance to continue the downtrend. That failed to happen take place yesterday and so far today. The new 15 did just pop up, so I gotta see what this next 15 looks like. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we looking at your charts, drop in the chat. Yeah, it's at the all-time highs already. Let's see what we got up in here. What's going on, Snowman? How long do your trades normally take to play out? It depends. It depends on volume. It depends on volume. You haven't watched my video on volume? Make sure to check it out. I'm about to drop that in the chat right now. But I can show you some past trades. But I get questions like that all the time, and a lot of people don't like the answer I give. Like people be like, "How many trades you call?" or "What's the average stop loss?" or "How many pips you catch?" I'm like, there is no magic number, and it varies. Which is why I do the recap the day and recap the month. But I can go through the events play signal room in a second and show you some past trades to kind of put in perspective. But it varies, right? Just like some weeks prices in an uptrend, some weeks prices in a downtrend. Sometimes prices in an uptrend for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Sometimes for 1 week, then it reverses back down to a downtrend. It varies. But I can show you that stuff in a second. Let me find that video really quick. But right now, if you look at the charts, or you've been watching me, I don't know if this is my first time seeing you type, so I don't know if this is your first time on my live stream or not. But if you watch any of my past lives, New York price watch list, et cetera, well, not New York price watch list, that's for the members, but Sunday chart analysis, et cetera, you'll know that right now, just like last week, we had a bunch of those trends that price was struggling to break through, which caused price to slow down compared to previous weeks and months. But let me find that video, drop it in the chat real quick. But I can pull up the best place to show you a few trades, but it varies. It varies. Just like the risk reward varies when the trade fully plays out. Sometimes it's a 1 to 2, sometimes it's a 1 to 4, sometimes it's a 1 to 5, sometimes it's a 1 to 3. You know what I'm saying? But this over to the left and make sure that let's go back in time. This is a gold trade. Again, these are old trades. I don't want nobody in my DMs talking about took this trade. It's an old trade. This is May 9th. I didn't May 9th anymore. All right, so this trade we entered at 11:10, and it took a few hours for the volume to kick in and play through. But then after that, you see TP1 got hit around 2:50 to almost 3 o'clock. TP3 3:39, 3:52, 3:53. This is me breaking down why it took a while from when we first entered the trade for it to break through. You see, this is why we pay attention on the chart. As you can see, each time we retrace, it's still respecting our low support. So again, those couple hours was retesting this level, respecting that support. And then once the volume picked up, that's when we started to hit those TPs, right? So I break all this stuff down, not just with screenshots, but also go over this stuff in the New York price watch list. Then you can see here by the time market's about to close was at the final TP, and then during Toko session, the final TP got hit. So this took less than a day, right? Then we go to another trade. Again, this is me breaking down a lot of the markets. These past couple months been really slow, right? But this trade went to 342. We hit the first TP until New York session started, right? So it took a few hours. Now, most trades on average take the day, right? But there are some trades where there is volume where all teams can get hit in 3 hours, 2 hours. Like this one, 50. We immediately started this TP's hit. 4 minutes in, TP2, TP4, you see 9:54, so it was about an hour. And it started to kick off. So again, it just varies. It depends on the part of the trend we're in. It depends on the level. It depends on the volume. It all depends on different things, which is why we break these down during the live streams, the New York price watch list. I send screenshots out so everyone understands what's taking place, all that good stuff. But it literally varies. Right, like this one, all TPs got hit. We entered this at 4:09 a.m. First TP got hit 10 minutes later. TP3 when New York session started. Final TP got hit in the middle of New York, right? So they usually take a day, like a session or so for them to hit on TPs. Because again, the way we trade, we're not just catching a five-minute candlestick. We're not just catching 3 pips. We're going for multiple candlesticks on the 15, and we're going for the move for the day, right? Like when all TPs get hit, we catch daily candlesticks, right? We caught this entire wick up, this entire daily candlestick in this trade. Like when we look at gold trades we took, like we look at this one right here. Again, we enter this at what, 10 o'clock? We rolled this all to 10 o'clock the next day. So we catching full moves, daily candlesticks. Again, we enter off the support level retest. We caught the entire next higher high, right? Catch full moves here. And again, so it just literally varies. Like I can do this all day. The scroll it literally varies. On this trade, 12:18 p.m., we enter this at 10. So this one only took 2 hours, right? So it literally depends on the volume and the conditions and cycle prices in. Right, when you look at this trade, 9:32 a.m., all TPs got hit. So this one took 4 hours to hit all TPs, right? So it just right. This one, all TPs got hit 12:06 p.m., which is at 3:30. So from Monday session, we entered and broke this down live that day, and we rode this all the way into the New York session. So this one, 9:34. This was just a 3-hour trade. You know what I'm saying? It's either all not the same thing. You see, we entered that. Again, it's based on confirmations, volume, and key price levels. There's no magic. Like at 3 o'clock, we're entering a trade no matter what. You know, we're catching this no matter what. The stop loss is going to be this many pips. No, it varies, right? And the members y'all can dig and look at. You can see that the stop losses are different, times are different, all that stuff different. So it really just depends. What's going on? Good day to you. Man, so as I had a buy bias, I was holding GD and wick both ways. I had a little too close. I mean, as long as you got wicked out in profit, that's all that matters. Because again, price is low right now on volume. It's just been ranging. I was pushing back up right now, but GJ as well as GU. Now Tracy, watch. I don't know if he was in the live yesterday, but watch the recording because I posted the recording. But GU is a perfect example why you don't want to be scared or think that way too much, right? Because again, if we go to this GU trade, let me pull it back up. Make sure to like the live too, y'all. Let me go to this GU trade. There's it at. All right, and this is an old trade. Nobody take this. All right. So this was a GU trade we took earlier this week, right? All TPs got hit. So we entered this on Monday. We saw TPs, we went down, right? Before it got hit the middle of the zone. Right, we set out 1:22 p.m. We go to the 1:22 p.m. 1300, hit the middle of the zone, rejected, right? So if you would have got wicked out here, that would have been fine, right? And this is why we pay attention to the charts. But I got wicked out here. I literally re-entered the next day off the same level, caught the same move twice. And then when the volume kicked in with the news, GP news, that's when the free move played out, right? So again, when you take trades, you have to have intentions with everything you do, right? It's just like chess. You can't just blindly, willy-nilly move a piece. You have to think 3 steps ahead. Okay, if I move this bishop here, can their pawn take me out? What about that knight? What about the queen over there? They'll take me out from this angle. What about their rook? Or you can't just put a piece down and then just let it happen. What a lot of traders do is they only think about the positive outcome, which is winning a trade. They don't think about what's going to be required for that trade to become a winner. What are the obstacles or things that could cause it to struggle or cause it to not go our way, this, that, and the third, which is why a lot of times people get confused, especially when they're in drawdown or stop loss gets hit because they don't fully understand what's happening. So when you're in a trade, this is why you know, if you go into group chat, you know, you see sometimes people be like, is anyone still holding this trade? 9 times out of 10, when somebody asks that, that's after it hit multiple TPs and they got caught in the retracement, right? So the reason why I notify y'all, sometimes blow y'all's phones up depending on the gap between the TPs get hit, is so y'all can pull out charts, see what price is doing, what's taking place, see if it's struggling or pushing our favor, then make a decision. Okay, do I want to secure profits? Am I happy with what I have right now? Or am I willing to take the risk of continuing to hold? But if I continue to hold, I'm going to potentially lose what I have already and potentially have stop loss get hit. But I can also potentially catch more pips. Now, a lot of times, again, people think, okay, well, I want to catch more pips, I want to make more money. But then when the other option happens, or the other outcome, which is you lose money, then people get upset. But it's like, you made that choice, so you have to lay in that bed and accept that. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people don't want to do that, which is where all the frustration and stuff comes from. But when you are realistic, you understand what's taking place, and you're in reality, it makes trading a lot easier. So never, it's because again, GJ price was dead, so there's nothing wrong with getting wicked out. Because I got wicked twice. You know what I'm saying? Because again, price is dead. I went to not just now. Price was doing this. But I got wicked out twice with some profit. I'd rather make some money than lose money, especially when I'm blue. Right? The number, not the number one thing, but one of the main things people struggle with trading is letting winners turn to losers. You know what I'm saying? Right? Like I'd have members sometimes. They were like, "Man, TP4, you said TP4 got hit, and you would caught this many pips recap, but I didn't make any money." I'm like, "Well, did you secure profits or close when TP4 got hit?" And they're like, "No." I'm like, "Well, that's why you didn't make any money, because you decided to continue to hold, or you watch price retrace, and then you didn't do anything about it." You know what I'm saying? So that's why I blow y'all's phones up and always tell y'all to pay attention to the charts. Again, every day you see me on the charts. Everything that's taking place, I explain based on what the charts are doing, based on the candlesticks. That's how price works. We make money based on what the charts are doing, based on what price is doing. So it's important to understand what the charts are doing, what price is doing at all times. And again, price can only do one or two things: either go up or go down. So you just got to figure out the signs of it potentially going up or going down. What else we got up in here? You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. Look at these charts. Drop in the chat. Yeah, but that's also why I be laughing, and y'all be in here, right? There'll be a bunch of people in here, but as soon as I start talking about the charts, motherfuckers will leave, and I'm like, and that's why I just be laughing. I'm like, how y'all suspect to understand what's taking place, and y'all don't even want to understand what's taking place, but then y'all be confused. Let's see here, but yeah, so in about 30 minutes we got GBP news popping off. So after that, I want to see some action pop onto the charts, and then at 8:30 and 9:45 we got USD news. That's pretty much all the high impact news we got for today. And then tomorrow we got 10 a.m. USD news, and then 2 a.m. GBP news to wrap things up. I gotta double check my schedule to see when's the next time we're going to be doing live during the news event. Oops. Yeah, this is how you know volume slow, because you haven't heard really any beeps or alerts on my charts, because price again has just been chilling like in these levels. Again, watch my video on volume, you can see the clear difference. All right, if you haven't caught up to my videos, I highly recommend it. I'll just be saying that because my videos are the content. Literally, I don't be wasting it. Y'all, those that watch my videos know I don't be bored. Like I don't just do that. Just do it, right? Take my time out my day to literally help y'all out. And all my videos are giving y'all the game. Y'all just gotta watch that. And of course, you got questions. Ask questions. Right? I'm never over here making small talk. BS and all that stuff. It's not the basic redundant information you be seeing on all these other pages. What else we got up in here? How much you make a month from trading? That's none of your business. And I'm not even saying that to be rude. It's just none of your business. I understand why you're asking that, but I'm not like these other traders. I don't just make up numbers or tell people what I got going on in my life. That's not real life. People do not need to know what I'm making, right? But
If you truly want a pocket watch, you can try to figure out and do some math by going into the studio for Telegram. Because some of the screenshots, not on IG though, because IG be putting all my business on there, which is why I be crossing that stuff out. But look at like some of the stuff from my prop firms and things like that. You know, you can do some math from there, lot sizes, pips caught. You know what I'm saying? Or, you know, if you go to May 1st, look at how we did last month. You know what I'm saying? Went 15-4, giving us a 79% win rate, caught 47,957 pips. You can kind of figure out, use your imagination, guess. I don't tell people what I make. That's not what I do over here. Right? I talk about win rates, I talk about pips, risk rewards. The only profits I show are receipts from a student send me stuff. But you'll never see me on here talking about what I got going on. All right, this was a screenshot. A student sent me, made 5,000 in a day. All my practice makes perfect. Another student with me did one-on-one sessions. Like, much love, bro. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Just apply your teachings. And he's got 2 futures prop firms he trades on. Had another student. He's passed prop firm accounts, futures prop firm accounts, just by applying what I taught. And again, I don't even call future signals, right? We're going to just scroll as far as these receipts for receipts. Thank you, brother. Send me a screenshot. Look at that beautiful entry. My boy caught right here. Beautiful drop to the downside. Another member I did one-on-one sessions with, been in GJ since 3, made a band. Made another $500 right here off gold. Another student, same screenshot, but this is the screenshot of the message you sent me. After finding your page, I got motivated to get back into my trading plan. Send me that screenshot. I can literally do this all day. If you go into my Instagram, playmaker_way, go to the first highlight. What's that first highlight? Let me see what it's called. Testimonials. You can literally see testimonials for over 2 years of student receipts. But yeah, I don't be on here telling my business. Right, you can see it on that. Thanks. Your accurate players took your advice and the right lot size. All these I want the dollars. All I have patience with the leverage. Other student, show me his P&L. We 7 bands. I can just do this all day. Another student that did one-on-one sessions with me. Took what I taught him, passed his own prop firms. Now he's making 1,000 a day. I do this all day. I'm just scrolling all day. Another member and student. Bro, it's been my best week so far. You drop a lot of knowledge, soak it in, make some money. Thanks, bro. It's literally all day. I just don't because I put it out there so y'all can know where to find it. But fine. Again, these are different people, different screenshots. I can do this literally all day. This is 2023 July, a whole year ago from today. Turn $100 this week to 517. And I'm still going. We're in June now. I can do this all day. You know what I'm saying?
So looks like he is pushing the low. So let's see. We got for the GN buy. Look for possible GN buys. We can hold 850 as support. We can look for buys going to 915, possibly 950, 955. Let's see the GJ can hit these next TP forces as well. How about gold really quick? So gold ended up retracing like we was talking about. It did not hold this level at 2372 like we would have wanted for the uptrend to continue. Instead, it kept pushing down. So now reversal territory. So if it can break and hold 2355 as resistance, we can see short-term sales going down to 2340 and possibly down to 2317. Now, if it comes down to here, we're probably going to be most likely in a downtrend. Now, if it breaks back above 2374, holds that support, we could see buys coming back into play, but it's going to need to break past 2400 to continue to push up. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop in the chat. Make sure to subscribe too, y'all. We're almost at, where we at right now? We almost at, what you call it? How do you subscribe? What you got? Pull it up. We're almost at 2,400 subs. Shout out to all the new subscribers. What else we got up in here? No problem. I notice you're very good at trading with the trend. When you decide that the trend has changed, excellent question. I have a video specifically for that. I'm about to drop that in the chat right now. I got multiple videos going over this. So make sure after the live to check out my playlist, specifically the day trading tips playlist. All right, but that's the video I dropped a couple weeks ago on how to identify reversals. Also have a video on how to identify the trend and all that stuff. And of course, all the more in-depth detail stuff. I break all the stuff down in the course as well. All that's linked in the description. You gotta do 5 minutes, about to pop up in a second. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at charts. Drop in the chat. Oops. And then again, we got GBP news popping up at 4:30. So we're gonna see what happens there. We're not gonna really take any other positions or new positions until after the GBP news. Oh, I was muted. So I don't even know what was the last part. I'm not in my hood. Basically, what I said was G was holding this level against breaking back above, but I'm not taking any new positions until after the 4:30 GBP news. I'm not taking any other new positions till after that. Y'all don't understand how news works. I dropped a video of the free Telegram yesterday. Shout out to those that checked it out. If y'all didn't check it out, I just dropped it in the chat again. Again, like I always say, I don't just be saying stuff just to say it. Everything I post is to help you out and for a reason. So if y'all did not check that out, make sure to check that out. I would like to see this next team hit before this news pops off. It looks like it's about to do that for us. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker underscore wait. TikTok's underscore playmaker wait underscore. Post every day on there. Make sure to also hit the first link in the description to our free signal for Telegram. If you want to contact me directly, I can DM me on Instagram and Telegram. I respond to all messages. Make sure to check out the other links in the description if you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, how to trade off these levels, present signal services or mentorship program. All those links are in the description. If you're curious about all the details, watch any of my YouTube videos. The last 2 minutes of all my YouTube videos go over all the details. Now, if you have other questions after that, of course, you can ask me. Numbers are already on a few hours. I got the New York price watch list for y'all. And we just hit that next TP. So let me go ahead and let the numbers know. We just hit TP 4. TP 4 hit. So when this news pops off, it's either going to continue to spike our direction, or it's going to retest this level, or it's going to retrace and retest this level because it hasn't been this low since Monday. Again, we are bullish still, but we are taking out the high, so it could try to retest on this level here as well. We're trying to wait and see. But we are blue and green right now. This guy is. Again, I'm not going to show you the actual trade and signal because this trade is still valid. But we did hit some TPs here. Went live during the news yesterday. Broke some stuff down. All that good stuff. But yeah, in 15 minutes, 14 minutes now, we do got the GBP news. So keep an eye on your. And then at 8:30, 9:45, we got USD news. Shout out everybody in the live. Shout out everybody in the live that's been here since the beginning. Shout out everybody in the live that's been here since y'all joined. Make sure to like the live. Make sure to subscribe. We're going to be back at the same time tomorrow. London session 3 a.m. EST. Let me catch you to this chat. Okay, I'm caught up. Cool.